Welcome back, everyone. This is Kevin. Let's look at extensive challenges question number 1. So Catherine chose 3 prime numbers. Their mean is 8. The difference between the 2 smaller prime numbers was also a prime number. And what was the largest prime number that Catherine chose? So we have 3 numbers, and we know their mean is 8. So that means the sum, we can work out the sum of the 3 numbers. So sum should be 3 times 8, which is 24. Okay, so we know that x and y and z is 24. Or we can use a and b and c in this case. So a plus b plus c is 24. And we know that if we have all odd prime numbers, so all odd prime numbers, for example, 3, 5, and 7, and they add up, 3 odd numbers add up to, that's correct, an odd number. We won't have an even number, so this is 15. So it's odd. So if we want the final answer to be 24 to be an even number, we have to have at least one even number out of all these 3 numbers, right? So that means we need one even number. And what is the only even prime number? Correct, that is 2. So we can let a equal to 2. So it's 2 plus b plus c is 24. So minus 2 on both sides. So b plus c is 22. And how many combinations do we have for 22? So b and c. We can have, let's think of the next prime number other than 2. Yeah, 3 and 19, right? So 19 is a prime number, so it's viable. What about 5 and 17? So 5 and 17 also viable. And the next possible combination is 11, 11. So a is 2. And we can see from the second sentence, the difference between the 2 smaller prime numbers was also a prime number. So in the first situation, it's b minus a, so it's 3 minus 2, we have 1. And 1 is not a prime number, so 3 minus 2 is 1. And 1 is not a prime number. Let me use a different color for the cross. 1 is not a prime number. Let me switch back to blue. For the second situation, we have 5 minus 2, which is 3. And 3 is a prime number. So the second situation, the 5 and 17, is the only possible combination we can choose. So we can only choose 2, 5, and 17. So that means 17 is the largest prime number that Catherine can choose. So the answer is D. And that's question number 1.